one, the Bulgari line, that is a very iconic line for Bulgari. It has been on the market for 30 years and contributing an awful lot to the growth of the company. We have worked on the aesthetic part. For example, we reduced the bezel so the logo is still there but less visible, less aggressive. We have also increased the quality of the piece through a new movement that is manufactured inside, a case that is higher quality, and so on and so forth. And then in addition to all that, we have also added a tribute to the real origin of the watch, because the first ones that were created were with the Bulgari Roma instead of Bulgari. So we decided to just to remind this, to do this limited edition with Bulgari Roma. Today, to be successful, you need, of course, a brand, so something that is very well known and powerful. But then you need that this brand is on iconic products that are very well known, and that they are really the expression of your patrimony, both, I would say, technical and historical. So what we are trying to do with Bulgari, with Serpenti, and so on, is to, on one side, let's say, start from our history, and on the other side to do something that is then the center of our activity, so it becomes a hero. But let's say the ladies are becoming more and more interested, not only in the aesthetical parts of the piece, but also in the technical part. I'm not saying that these are the same level as men, of course, but it's true that more and more ladies are also interested in the movement, for example. So this is why we have decided today to give the opportunity to ladies that like the Bulgari brand to buy a piece that is done for ladies, but with a tourbillon in this case. And we have done two things actually, because we have proposed the tourbillon in two different versions. The first one in the Bulgari case, so if you want, is a typical watch with a beautiful, of course, and feminine dial and a tourbillon. But then we have also what we call the berries, so a different watch. That is a jewelry watch, and it's a jewelry watch because on the case you have a typical jewelry sign from Bulgari, and because in addition to the diamonds you have precious stones, precious colored stones, so typical from Bulgari, and the tourbillon. So you have on one side a watch with tourbillon, on the other side you have a jewelry watch with tourbillon. Let's say that more and more the LVMH Watch and Jewelry Group is investing in the industrial part, because we want to become more and more independent from external suppliers, and of course we are investing also then in the production of movements. So there is an exchange of expertise. So basically what's happening is that each brand, each company has its own movement, fully developed and produced internally, but has also the opportunity to have other movements that are, let's say, developed for them by another brand of the group. So in this case, for example, Bulgari has this chrono that is not typically an El Primero. It's something that has been reconceived somehow for Bulgari, but it's on the base of El Primero, Zenith El Primero. So we are basically leveraging on the strength of the different companies. And then El Primero in Bulgari is one example, but we have other examples of cases done by one company for the other, or dials produced by one company to the other. He is the ambassador for the Bulgari brand in the men watch business, or at least it will be the ambassador, because it just started. It was launched only 6 months ago, so it's going to take a bit of time. We start very well, so we're very happy with the sales results. It's true that today the collection is very small, so next year, for example, we are going to present a lot of new things in the Octo line to complete the line and make it really the ambassador line for Bulgari. So I'm very happy that you are mentioning Octo, because I think it's, if you want, the synthesis of the philosophical approach that Bulgari has in the watch business. What we want to offer at the end of the day is the very high-end Swiss watchmaking, but with a very strong character, so with a very recognizable design, and Octo is exactly that. Well, my expectation is that it's going to, let's say, make a great success out of the Bulgari brand. I think he is a very enthusiastic, energetic manager. He knows very well the watch business. He knows very well the business, the luxury business on a global basis. So he has the ingredients to be a strong leader of the company. Of course, he comes from a watch company, while this one is a diversified company. We are in jewelry, we are in watches, we are in accessories, in perfume, etc. So at the start, you will have a period of time to learn a bit about the business and the brand. But after this period of learning, I am very confident that it's going to make a great success out of Bulgari, capitalizing on the strength of the brand.